Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Try and Learn. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel this way and hit the bell icon to get immediate notification. So now let's start today's session. Dear viewers, today we are going to discuss on the ways to change the mode of narration of optative sentence. Today we will discuss the narration change of optative sentence. Stay with me till the end of the video to get complete information. We know that an optative sentence expresses wish or prayer. An optative sentence expresses wish or prayer. So the following rules will be maintained. First, the reporting verb will be changed into wish, pray, desire, long for, etc. according to the function of optative sentence. Number 2, that comes as the linker. That comes as the linker. Number 3, the optative sentence in direct speech changes into assertive form in indirect. Optative sentence in direct speech changes into assertive form in indirect speech. But here remember, the listener in the direct speech is omitted in the indirect speech. The listener in the direct speech is omitted in the indirect speech. So now let's see some examples. If we take the first example, mother said to me, may you recover soon. Mother is the speaker, repeating verb, listener, and this is direct speech. According to the rule, first mother, then said to will become prayed or wished, then me will be omitted, the listener will be omitted here, then linker, that it will be assertive, you may, you means I, tense will change, may will change into might, recover soon. Mother prayed or wished that I might recover soon. If we see the second example, she said, she is the speaker, said is the repeating verb, and this is the direct speech. Oh, had I the wings of a dove. According to the rules, first she wished. This is not prayed actually, so we cannot use pray verb here. She wished. Then linker that. Then make it assertive, subject she. Then could have, because after modal auxiliary only V1 or present form of the verb is used. She could have the wings of a dove. She wished that she could have the wings of a dove. If we change this one into assertive form, she could have the wings of a dove. Thank you. Our next session will be on the narration change of exclamatory sentence. And if you like this video and all the sessions, then like the video and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.